Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use ChatGPT as search engine. First of all, you need to install this extension which name is Chat on AI. Unlock the power of ChatGPT 4. You need to click get button to add this extension. Here you can see the and hover and click the add extension. Close this option. You need to go to the extension menu, the extension in the toolbar, and you can see that this extension is here and it is not visible in the toolbar. Click the I button to show in toolbar. Go to the new tab and search what you want, like how to create an app, and there is a many results which is provided by Google. And here you can see that ChatGPT options is shows here, and if you want to result from ChatGPT, then you need to click here to ask ChatGPT. Click here. After clicking, you will see that ChatGPT is processing the result about your questions. So here you can see that the result is given here, and if you want to the result after search anything, you need to go to the settings options of ChatGPT, and you can see that three options shows below the trigger mode, and click always to get result after searching anything. Click always refresh this page. After refreshing, you will see that the ChatGPT is running to give the result. Now we do not need to click the here button to get result. Then if you want to get result after asking something, you need to click these question options. Here you can see I do not give a question mark on these questions. If I refresh this page, you will see that here is a tip or idea that give that end your query and a question with a question mark. That's mean you need to give a question mark to get the result from ChatGPT. Here I give the question mark and click enter to get the result. Here you can see that ChatGPT is giving the result automatically after giving the question mark. If you don't give the question mark, you did not get the result. And another thing you need to know that if you do not have any account on ChatGPT, you did not access this extension. You need to log in or registration on the website of ChatGPT. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.